Hey apples, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys just a quick tutorial on how to make your own shampoo at home. You don't have to go out and spend a whole lot of money. I have other videos showing you how to make your own shampoo. If you've missed those videos, I have two more. One with black soap, one with shakaikai and aretha. If you've missed it, make sure you check them out. I'll leave them up here in the iCard. I'll also drop them down in the comment section, so go head over and check it out. A lot of you guys also have been asking me how I've been able to grow back my hair so fast and it looks so full, and thank you, I appreciate the love. I did nothing special. I used my hair growth oil, which you guys will know about pretty soon, and I'm also using my own DIY hair butter, and of course you guys will know about it soon. And on top of that, I deep condition my hair every week to every 2 weeks, and if I have braids in, once I take my braids out, I deep condition my hair, and that's all I've been doing, guys. When I'm in braids, I do all my roots. Yes, so this shampoo that I'll be showing you guys how to make today, it's pretty easy to make. You only need neem, castle soap, an oil of your choice, and you're good to go. Okay, it's that easy. But the neem is good for dandruff, so if you suffer from dandruff, guys, this is perfect for you. The castle soap, it has tea tree oil. That's why I didn't add tea tree oil, because tea tree oil also have a lot of good benefits like antifungal, antibacterial, all that good stuff in it. So I didn't add that because it's already in the soap, and I'll be showing you guys how I make that today. Yeah, don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up, leave all your comments down below, and of course subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that post notification bell, and without further ado, you know the do. Let's get straight into the video. First step is to boil a pot of water, and then you are going to add the neem powder in. Reason being why you're doing it like this, you're going to strain off the powder just to have the liquid, because you don't want the powder to be stuck in your hair and stuff. I have like 2 tablespoons of neem powder in the water, and you're just going to leave it to boil for around 5 minutes, and then you're going to strain it off. So see you then.
When the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel light. You make me feel.
I use 6 drops of lavender oil, 6 drops of the berry essential oil, 6 drops of peppermint oil, 2 spoons of neem powder, and ½ cup of castle soap.
You made me feel. Where you at? Tell me, Shensia. Like you want me hit the spirit like a damn car tire. Endless loving and it can't expire. I won't say church, I never answer prayer. You know, say you got the loving for me body when you hold me, and if you call me, we come.
Get jiggy with it. That's it. Now, honey, come ride. DKNY all up in my eyes.
Baby, me now let you go. Love is like a seed that you reap what you sow. Oh, baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You made me feel light. You made me feel light. Like a home in my lungs. Turn up the pressure, make the thing get dumb. And when you're blazing, you know me now run it bad like it's against the law. Light up, bright up, yes it I me want. Me palm my skin, you feel made me feel. Give me the fire, beg you, bring that come. Me need a little crop on my body, she a crop. So me tell you raw. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the wind.
Right here, as you can see, I'm going in with the shampoo in this applicator bottle, and I'm just applying it all over my head. Then I'll be going in with my scalp massager, and you'll see it further down in the video. Guys, I absolutely love this shampoo. It has a great latte. It has a strong minty scent that I love. You know, I love smelling minty stuff, and it also has this tingling sensation that I absolutely love.
You made me feel like love is like a seed that you reap what you sow. Oh, baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You made me feel You made me feel
I'm using my scalp massager to cleanse the scalp.
You made me feel. Give me the fire, beg you, bring that come. Me need you like a home, you need my lungs. Turn up the pressure, make the thing get dumb. And when you blaze it up, you know me now run it bad. Bad like it's against the law. Light up, bright up, kiss it and me want. Me palm my skin, you feel the crop. And me body, she a crop. So me tell you raw. Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You made me feel You made me feel
We've come to the end of this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys try this shampoo, and come back and drop it down in the comment section and let me know what you think about it. And until my next video, one love.
Up, rise up, kiss it and me want. Me palm my skin, you feel the crop. And me body, she a crop.